speak. This evening's felicitation, alumnus of a college and a national record holder at the UGC NET, the one and only Mr. K. Pavan Kumar. Miss Pushyami will present a bouquet to him. May I now call on stage the hero of the day, Sri Y. The fourth highest successful chase. You played 11 matches in IPL 2008 and scored 200.
Om Sri Mahanadivataye Namo Namah. Vakradunda Bhagaya Koti Surya Samaprabha. Abhidhamura Medeva Sarvakaryesu Sarvada. Om Shatam Deva Sarado Dhamana Karagamaro Hogi. Savarya Viratma Bhavati.
Thank you guys, respected everyone that I asked and officials there. Thank you for your support from Bulaq College. I've been here for 2 years, 10 years back. After 10 years I came here. I'm happy here.
There have been good human beings, there have been bright students, but you are a rare phenomenon of a disciple to teachers who have captivated you in their hearts. You had a good fortune of nurturing under a caring father, Sri K. Krishna Rao, a loving mother, Srimati A. Rajeshwari Devi, and inspiring teachers. During 1986-1998, you studied at St. Joseph's Secondary School, Malkapuram, and attained the distinction of school topper in 10th standard with 90% marks. You pursued plus 2 education at Timpani School, Visakhapatnam during 1998-2000 and continued the same record of winning the school topper position, which includes the science stream, also with 91.25% marks. Another feather in your cap is your record scoring 97 marks in economics remains unbroken till today. You are true to yourself, respectful to your parents and obedient to your gurus, a strict disciplinarian and a taskmaster. Your father has shaped your glorious personality with a clear vision and an extraordinary mission. Your mother, a gold medalist in MSc and a teacher by profession, has been a guiding star to you in your adventurous voyage across the fathomless oceans of knowledge. You have always aimed the perfection and stood out as a model of the ideal student, sensible human being and a responsible citizen. Your thoughts and actions have been highly laudable and you deserve all approbation from the student community. You had a brilliant career as a distinguished student, a leading competitor in many examinations. Your teachers have found in you the insatiable quench for high learning and they have expanded the horizons of your knowledge and wisdom. As a lad in the lap of Mother India, you opened your eyes to vast areas of human awareness and consciousness. Even during schooling, you had been participating in many literary competitions like debates, elocutions and public speeches. Your speeches were lively and educated. Your powerful expressions, rich vocabulary and flawless syntax made you a remarkable orator. You have been an integral part in several youth festivals and scholarly seminars, not only in the state but also at national level. During your knowledge pursuits, you surpassed your peer groups and bagged many distinctions. It may not be an exaggeration to say that you are an embodiment of great human virtues and a personified figure of Swami Vivekananda's idealism. And you proved this by delivering a powerful speech on Swamiji and winning the first prize at Kolkata. You have annexed countless prizes, rewards and awards. The most significant of them are the Runners' Trophy at the 27th edition of National Cooperative Union of India Debating Competition held at New Delhi in December 2001. Another remarkable prize at the 27th Kamal Nayan Bajaj Memorial in 2003. While joining the role of Prime Minister, you led the Andhra University team as the zonal winner for the first time in the 6th National Inter-University Youth Parliament Competition 2002-2003 and received the first prize in the Best Speaker category from the Union Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Shri Ghulam Nabi Azad. You represented Dr. Bulaya College in the All India Inter-University Literary Competitions and bagged 5 national level prizes recognized by UGC Government of India, 19 state level prizes and 50 intercollegiate prizes during 2000-2003. You have also won 4 national awards which include the Glittering Winners Trophy and 20,000 rupees cash prize representing only Dr. LB College in the national seminar held at Chennai and brought laurels to our college. Above all, you have achieved a rare national distinction by qualifying a record 4 times for Junior Research Fellowship in the UGC NET and got through Group 1 Services 2007 examination with distinction. Though Yogi Vemana University and Sri Krishna Devaraya University invited you for the post of Assistant Professor, you have chosen to serve your mother institution as an Assistant Audit Officer in the Office of the Deputy Director, State Audit, stationed at Andhra University. You had been associated with Dr. Lankapalli Bulaya College from the year 2000 to 2003 and completed your graduation from our institution. The management, staff and students take the pride from your success and honor you with these words of felicitation. We pray the Lord Almighty to shower His divine grace for a long, eventful life, enabling you to serve furthermore for the cause of our country's progress. Today, you are living in your dreams of yesterday, and living in those dreams, you are dreaming again to reach the summits of higher esteem, self-actualization and supreme human excellence. From management, staff and students of Dr. LB College. Presented on 25th Feb and composed by Dr. Kishore Verma. Yes. May I now invite our chief guest Dr. G. Madhukumar to do the honors.
शतं दीव शरदोर्धमानः परिगमनो भवति शतमेन शतात्मानं भवति शतमनन्तं भवति शतमैश्वर्यं भवति शतमिदशतं दीर्घमायुः ॐ नागो भाति भाति नागो 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 भाति भाति मदेन मदेन भाति भाति मदेन मदेन कं मदेन मदेन कं जलरुहै जलरुहै कं जलरुहै जलरुहै पूर्णेन्दुरा पूर्णेन्दुरा जलरुहै जलरुहै पूर्णेन्दुरा शल्वरी शल्वरी पूर्णेन्दुरा.
Happy occasion, Pawan Kumar Gadi also here itself. Please come on the dais. Pawan Kumar Kamayaru.
पूर्णेन्दुरा शल्वरी शल्वरी पूर्णेन्दुरा पूर्णेन्दुरा शल्वरी शल्वरी श्रीरेण शल्वरी शल्वरी श्रीरेण प्रमदा प्रमदा श्रीरेण श्रीरेण प्रमदा प्रमदा जपेन जपेन प्रमदा प्रमदा जपेन जपेन तुरगैर तुरगैर जपेन जपेन तुरगैर विच्छोत्सवैर विच्छोत्सवैर तुरगैर विच्छोत्सवैर विच्छोत्सवैर मंदिरं मंदिरं विच्छोत्सवैर विच्छोत्सवैर मंदिरं मंदिरं वाणी वाणि मंदिरं मंदिरं वाणी वाणि व्याकरणिक व्याकरणेन हंसा हंसा व्याकरणेन हंसा हंस विधलैर्विधलैर् हंस हंस विधलैर् विधलैर्नच्चस्वभा विधलैर्नच्चस्वभा नच्चस्वा पंडितै पंडितै नच्चस्वा पंडितै पंडितै सत्पुत्रेण पंडितै सत्पुत्रेण
Railway General Secretary. May I request Mr. G.S. Verma from Andhra University to come on stage and garland our guest. May I request Mr. Achyut Reddy to come onto the dais and garland our guest. May I now request Mr. K. Gurunath Rao, State Secretary, Bodybuilding Association, to do the honors. I now invite Professor Pallavi, Andhra University, to come on stage and do the honors. I now invite Shri Joji, football coach, to come onto the dais and do the honors. Call on stage Mr. Narsingh Rao, boxing coach, to come and garland with esteemed guest. May I now request Mr. Subramaniam from Krishna College to come on stage and do the honors. May I now request Mr. P. Anand to do the honors. He is the score scholar. May I now call on stage our Administrative Officer, Mr. Hari Krishna, to do the honors. May I now call on stage Mr. S.M. Rahman, Deputy Dean, Department of Computer Science and Management Studies. May I now call on stage Mr. Murli Krishna, badminton coach, to do the honors. May I now invite Suresh, Mr. Suresh, handball coach, to come and garland the esteemed guests.
ఏం పడింది కవర్ వస్తున్నాయి కొంచెం బురుగులు పడతాయి కదా
शतं देवसदोर्धमानकरगमनो भवति शतमेन सदात्मानं भवति शतमनन्तं भवति शतमनन्तं भवति शतमैश्वर्यं भवति शतमिति शतं दीर्घमायुः
Response by K. Pawan Kumar. I request Pawan Kumar to respond for this statement.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Respected President of the occasion, Dr. I. Parthasarathi Garu, Chief Guest, Dr. G. Madhukumar Garu, Guest of Honor, Dr. K. Bhaskar Reddy Garu, dignitaries on the dais, staff, students, the cricketing colossus Mr. Y. Venugopal Rao Garu, and dear friends, a very warm good evening to one and all. I consider myself extremely privileged, honored and fortunate to be a part of this august gathering. With humble and unassuming humility, I offer my heartfelt gratitude and gratefulness to the management, staff and students of Dr. Lankapalli Bulaya College for having bestowed on me this inestimable and priceless honor this evening. Dr. Lankapalli Bulaya College has been a trendsetter for the last 4 decades. Dr. Lankapalli Bulaya College has created numerous records, broken past records and achieved greater heights. If the Amazon River can carry more volume of water than the next 10 rivers combined, Dr. Lankapalli Bulaya College has created more sports medalists than all the other colleges of Vizag put together. This is my college, Dr. Lankapalli Bulaya College. Dr. Lankapalli Bulaya College has been creating and nurturing young minds for a long period, while creating a vast army of sporting medalists and juggernauts. The college has blended academic performance with new creative academic inputs. At the same time, it has also opened new courses, keeping in view emerging trends and changing times. I take great pride in being honored with my college, Dr. Lankapalli Bulaya College, and the association has crossed 10 years now. Dr. Lankapalli Bulaya College, the staff and management of the college have constantly stood by me through thick and thin. They have made me what I am today. Joining Dr. Lankapalli Bulaya College has been the greatest decision of my life. I state this with 1,000,000% confidence. Dr. Lankapalli Bulaya College has been moving forward. This is because of the dedicated efforts of the management, staff, as well as the effort and direction that the management have provided for the students. As is well known, today's age is an age where you have so much of challenge, so much of cutthroat competition. So it's a time when the college has taken steps to take the students forward, to give them new professional and job-oriented opportunities in today's 21st century. I'm grateful to the college because the college has always been with me. If there was ever an opportunity to pay back what the college has done, perhaps I could never find one. Perhaps I have been blessed with birth to have come into this college. I consider it a great opportunity, a great privilege. Perhaps I can never repay what the college has done for me. Moving forward, I should like to thank the management for having provided me this rare opportunity and for having given me the space of having the opportunity of being with Mr. Y. Venugopal Rao Garu. I wish Mr. Venugopal Rao Garu all the success in the forthcoming IPL season. I wish him the best of luck in all his future endeavours, and I hope he takes part in future World Cup cricketing tournaments and he brings joy to our country as well as us and victory to our homeland. And I hope the college continues its march into the next century and moves forward with confidence and commitment, as has always been with my college. And I wish the college great success and great adulation in the years ahead. And I thank the college constantly, and I'm always in veneration of my staff and management for the constant support and guidance they have lent me all these years. With these words, thank you. Good evening.
Thank you, Pawan Kumar, for accepting your felicitation, giving a response, appreciating your efforts, and expressing gratitude. Then, the next item is address by guests of honor. Now, request Dr. K. Bhaskar Biyari to give his message to the audience.
Dignitaries on and off the dais, my dear friends, sitting here on this basketball court in a pleasant environment, all I want to tell you, what more could a college ask for than have two great sons like these? May I request Venu and Pawan, please join me here for a minute. Two great achievers, one with the body and the other with the mind. There is nothing more a college management or principals, deans, staff would want more than to see achievements like these. So I'm truly happy and feel blessed that these two sons have achieved something that the college will always be proud of. And looking at these two is all that you need to get inspiration, to get ahead in life. All that we need to say is already said, is seen, is evident in these two faces, in these two personalities. We should thank them for giving us the opportunity to be inspired after being in this college, going out and achieving and bringing great name to this college. So I thank you both for this.
Yes, Satyanarayana, cricket. G. Ravichandra. G. Durga Santosh. S.K. Shilar Bhasha. S. Suresh, K. Ganesh, S. Ajay Kumar, K. Ramesh. Volleyball runners, 3I section, volleyball team. K. Sagar, V. Madhu, K. Sagar, V. Madhu, V. Somesh Reddy, MD Ansar Wali, MD Appalraju, V. Prasad Reddy, CH Praveen, and K. Sriram. Throwball team, women's section throwball winners, MBA students, V. Kirti, Y. Shiny, J. Sravya, P. Ramalakshmi, D. Deepa, B. Sravanti, N. Shravanimurthy, P. Rani, and S. Jayasri. Throwball runners, BSc students, Ms. Sravya, G. Meena. Global runners BSc team, that is the now eliminated here. Sravya, G. Meena, K. Manasa, Sunita, P. Haripriya, Ms. Madhavi, Ms. Lakshmi, Meghavana. I request our beloved Secretary and Correspondent to distribute mementos to the staff.